Something's wrong with the signal. Voices multiplying, but nobody's there. Every screen got a ghost inside. Yo, bot armies marching through the bandwidth. Synthetic rage getting packaged as truth. Watch the wires. Who lit the fire in the family room? Who turned love into a battlefield? Every time I'm pulling us apart, invisible hands on the steering wheel. Echoes breeding echoes in the blue light glow. Nobody knows what they don't know. Millions of voices, but the room feels cold. Buying, selling the hearts they control. Scroll, swipe, trigger, click, algorithmic division, artificial friction, engineered for collision. Botnet battalions in coordinated positions, manufacturing enemies through targeted precision. Fake trends rising, real friends disappearing. Digital puppeteers got the whole crowd cheering. Neighbors into rivals, brothers into factions. Families collapsing from engineered reactions. Engagement economics, outrageous, profitable. Truth gets buried when the lies are more clickable. Infinite feeds got attention in captivity. Weaponized psychology, harvesting activity. Data miners digging through emotional geology, turning every insecurity into technology, prompting every conflict, optimizing hostility, monetizing panic with machine efficiency. Deep fake prophets, synthetic messiahs, artificial witnesses adding fuel to the fires. Comment sections crowded with imaginary crowds, thousands of opinions generated in the cloud. Bridge burn, trust crack, marriage is strained. Children watching parents become strangers again. Every notification, another little fracture. Social fabric tearing under algorithm capture. Can you hear your own voice anymore? Can you tell where the anger began? Was it yours? Or something written for you? I still believe there's a signal beneath the noise. Beneath the noise. Micro-target narrative, sentiment analysis. Feedback loops, feeding mass paralysis. Automated amplification causing social dialysis. Separating human bonds through digital bias. Rage, react, repost, repeat. Machine learning conflict marching through the street. Truth fragmented into customized realities. Infinite versions of competing mentalities. Bot farm operators hidden in the static, turning every disagreement into something catastrophic. But I'm cutting through the code, exposing every tactic. Human over algorithm, that's the mathematics. Who lit the fire in the family room? Who taught the hate how to spread so fast? If we're gonna build tomorrow, we gotta stop living in